Welcome! And before we dive in, let's pause for a moment. If you're new to learning and development, there's something important you should know right away. Feeling unsure at the start is completely normal. The fact is, most people don't enter this field with a clear roadmap. They're asked to build training because they know the subject, or maybe because they're good with people, or simply because someone had to do it. And suddenly, you're expected to design something that actually changes behavior. That's where this course comes in. Over the next few modules, we're going to explore how to design training with intention. Not by guessing, copying what you've seen before, or starting with slides. You'll learn how to think like a learning designer, even if you've never used that title before. We'll use the ADDIE model as our guide, not as a rigid rulebook, but as a practical way to make sense of messy, real-world training requests. And everything starts with a strong needs assessment. Because the biggest risk in training design isn't poor delivery, it's solving the wrong problem. When you learn how to identify what people actually need to learn, everything else becomes clearer. The objectives, the activities, the materials, even how you evaluate success. This course will help you slow down, just enough to ask better questions, understand your learners, and design training that's genuinely useful, not just well-intentioned. Because you don't need to have all the answers yet. You just need to know where to start. And you're exactly where you need to be. So let's begin.